In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide collections on your Shopify store. This is useful if you're preparing a new collection, keeping seasonal products private, or only showing certain collections to selected customers. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the left sidebar and click Products. From the drop-down menu, select Collections. Now find the collection you want to hide and click on it to open the collection settings. Inside the collection page, look for the Sales, Channels or Manage section. Click Manage and you'll see a list of channels where the collection is currently visible. To hide the collection from your website, simply uncheck Online Store. After removing the check mark, click Done. Finally, click Save at the top right corner to apply the changes. Your collection is now hidden from your Shopify storefront, but it still exists safely inside your admin dashboard and can be made visible again anytime. And that's it. You've successfully hidden a collection on Shopify. Thanks for watching.